Chess 101 at Special Citizens. Most historians believe that the game of chess originated over 1,000 years ago in places such as India and Persia. Chess is a game between two opponents on opposite sides of a board containing 64 squares with alternating colors. Each player has 16 pieces, 8 pawns, 2 rooks, 2 bishops, 2 knights, 1 king, and 1 queen. The goal or objective of chess is to put your opponent into checkmate. Checkmate occurs when the king is in a position to be captured or in check, and he cannot escape from capture. When this occurs, the person who delivered checkmate has won the game. There are other ways that a chess game can end. A player could resign, or the game could end in a draw. But these details we will explain at another time. When you are playing a game of chess, there are rules, or what some call chess etiquette. Rule number 1. When both players are seated and have set up their pieces correctly to play, each game should begin with a proper handshake. A handshake between the players is a sign of sportsmanship and respect for one another. A handshake should occur before and after every chess game. Rule number 2. You should never gloat or show off when you win a chess game, and you should never overreact or become angry when you lose a chess game. You can learn a valuable lesson from every game that you play. So in summary, win, lose, or draw, you must shake your opponent's hand and say, "Good game." Chess is a game for people of all ages, different races, and even genders. It doesn't matter if you are a man or a woman, if you are 5 years old or 65 years old. Anyone can learn how to play chess and have fun while doing so. Playing chess helps you improve your memory, concentration, patience, problem-solving skills, and creativity. It's a strategic battle of the mind, where in order to win, you must outsmart your opponent. Now, let's learn some more about the chess pieces.
In the game of chess, this is the pawn. On its first move, a pawn can move 1 or 2 squares forward. After a first move, it can only advance 1 square forward. Although pawns move forward, they can only capture a piece moving 1 square diagonally. It is good to know that pawns are the only piece in chess that cannot move backwards.
In the game of chess, this is the bishop. The bishop can move any number of squares diagonally, and this includes capturing enemy pieces. The best way to remember how the bishop moves is thinking of the letter X. Also, if a bishop is on dark squares, it can only move diagonally on dark squares. If the bishop is on a light square, it can only move diagonal on light squares.
In the game of chess, this is the rook. The rook can move any number of squares horizontally and vertically, and this includes capturing enemy pieces. A quick tip on remembering how rook moves is to make a lowercase t.
In the game of chess, this is the knight. The knight moves in an L shape. This is 1 square vertically and 2 squares horizontally, or 1 square horizontally and 2 squares vertically. It is good to know that the knight is the only piece in chess that can jump over other pieces.
In the game of chess, this is the queen. The queen can move any number of squares, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally, and this includes capturing enemy pieces. The queen is the most powerful piece in chess, and its movements are a combination of both a rook and a bishop.
In the game of chess, this is the king. The king can move 1 space in any direction. Although the king moves 1 square in any direction, the king may never move himself into check, where he would be captured. A quick tip on remembering How the king moves is to draw a square or box around it.